In this video, we're going to just take a look at the project as it's going to be at the end of the section. That's just going to help to fill out the edges of the jigsaw, if you like. It's going to help to give you some context as to what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to walk you through, nothing for you to do apart from sit back for a couple of minutes. I won't keep you long, and relax and take a quick look. So by the end of the section, we'll have some nice organized folders. We will have a little utility class here with an enum that prevents us from referencing our layers using strings, which makes our programming a bit nicer. We will have a simple combat sandbox here where we can have a cursor that changes depending on whether we're over an enemy or a walkable surface. We will have click to move implemented, so you'll click and he'll move. We'll also be able to switch into gamepad mode, so you can use the left stick of a gamepad to move the character around directly as well. Then over on Rick's scene, he will have a separate scene, and he calls it Rick's Village, and he will start exploring the idea of different movement paradigms. He will have some kind of concept artwork. This particular piece here is inspired by the community. We'll also have basic templates for the enemies, short and squat, tall and large. And we will be making sure that we use prefabs so that the player and the enemies in one scene have all the same properties as in the other scene. We'll, of course, also have a custom camera arm that follows our player around. We will have this little camera arm here with a main camera hanging off of the end of it. As I said, the cursor affordances, which switch between walk, unknown, and target cursors, and just generally a nicely organized little project that gives us our first stage, which is character movement. So that's what we're going to be doing. Also making good use of Unity's standard assets, particularly the third-person character, which is Ethan we see here. None of this is the art style of a final game, of course. We are not committing to an art style at this stage. The idea is to just use simple placeholder assets so that we can focus on the core functionality and the core gameplay. So that's it. That's all I want to tell you in this video, and I look forward to diving in with you right now and getting on with it.